Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold USD. Before analysis, we look at economic calendar, look at the events for today, and then we'll proceed with our technical analysis. Today is Friday, March 11th, and when we look at the events for today, at 12:30 PM we have events on Euro, British Pound, but most of the events are minor impacting news. At 7 PM we have high impacting news on Canadian dollar, and then at 8:30 PM we have high impacting news for US dollar. So requesting you to plan your trade entry and exit based on this news schedule. Let us start with our analysis. I'm in daily time frame of gold US dollar currency pairs. When we look at the price action, we can notice that there was a big green candle, there is a big red candle, and next to it we have a doji candle, which shows that there is indecision in the market. It doesn't want to go on the higher side or it doesn't want to go on the lower side. Next also we are seeing a red candle being formed. Let us see how it completes today. And from the past price action, we know that this area is a very strong resistance zone, because when we notice the past price action, this is the level it has gone high so far, which was around 2071. Then from here it went on a bearish trend reversal. Again it has gone up to the same level from where it took the bearish trend reversal. So this will be the very important point, whether it's going to break on the bullish side or whether we are going to see a bearish trend reversal, and it all depends on the current situation on the Ukraine-Russia war tension. So the price action has to break this support level of 1988. Previously the price action had broken this support level of 1988. Again it has gone up. Again it is trying to break this support level. So this support level becomes weaker every time when the price action takes this level. Since this support level is weaker, I am expecting the price action to retrace down and test this trend line or the support line and to bounce back on the bullish trend. Only when it breaks this next level of support, which is around 1915, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair. As long as the price action is trading above this, we can expect a bullish trend reversals to start at any moment. It is still in a very strong bullish trend. It is only consolidating. So using the Fibonacci's retracement tool, when we look at the retracement level, it has only broken this 23.60% of the full bullish trend. We can expect it to come down to the 38.20 level and even up to the 50% of the Fibonacci's retracement level. And even if it comes up to the 61.80 level, still we can say that it is still in a bullish trend. It has to break this support level and also break this 61.80 retracement level. Still overall, when we look at the price action also, I have drawn a black color trend line or the support line. It is still moving in a bullish trend. So currently the price action is in a very strong bullish trend. So I would request you to not to take trades on the bearish side. It is only retracing, it is not a trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I am in hourly time frame now. Here in hourly time frame also I have drawn the same support line or the trend line. It is continuously trading above this trend line or the support line. As long as the price action is trading above this trend line, we can expect the bullish trend to continue in hourly time frame. Previously also it has tested this trend line or the support line and bounced back on the bullish side. Again it is retracing. We can expect it to take support on the trend line, but you can also notice that the trend line is on the bullish side and it is moving more on the bullish side every time it retraces. When we look at the pattern formation, previously it had formed a similar to an head and shoulder pattern and it couldn't succeed in breaking this neckline. You can notice that it has bounced back on the bullish side. So the overall momentum in gold is on the bullish side. The price action has to break this trend line, then it has to break the trend line from the daily time frame, then it has to break the support line from the daily time frame, then only we can expect a bearish trend to start in this currency pair. Currently it is still in a very strong bullish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in black color boxes are the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is in a retracement. Let us wait and see if it breaks this trend line or not. If it breaks, we can expect it to take support on the next level of support from the daily time frame, and if it bounces back, we have next level of resistance which is going to be around 2006, and if it breaks this level, we can expect it to test the next level of resistance which is going to be around 2034. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the trend of the market, from here it started falling on a bearish side. Let us draw a trend line and check the current trend of the market. We can clearly notice that it is forming into a very nice triangle pattern. Here this is the downside and this is on the upside. We can notice that the price action is trading within this resistance line and the support line. So it is consolidating within this triangle pattern. Soon we can expect a trend reversal on the bullish side or break on the support line or the trend line. So wait for it to take a directional move, then I will recommend you to take trades on the direction it breaks. But looking at the overall price action, it is still in a very strong bullish trend, so I would recommend you to go for the bullish side trades. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values in black color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is under consolidation, trading within this triangle pattern. Wait for it to give a breakout from this triangle pattern. Based on the direction it breaks, you can use these levels for reference for entry and exit on your trades. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame now. Here we have the 30 minutes time frame resistance line running over here, and we have the hourly time frame support line running over here, and I have drawn a trend line or the support line for the 5 minutes time frame also. We can notice that previously the price action has trended down, taken support on this trend line and took resistance on this resistance line, and again it tested this support line. This time it has given a breakout on the bearish side. It has taken support on the higher time frame support line, and it is on a trend reversal on the bullish side. Again we can expect the price action test this resistance line. Only if it breaks this resistance line, we can expect a continuation on the bullish side. Otherwise we can expect the bounce back and to consolidate within this support and resistance level. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So the values within this black color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.